In today's video, I will teach you how to make LUTs to match color grading in different programs using Photoshop. Let's get started. First, import the image that you would like to edit in Photoshop. Now, this image would be the basis of the color grading that will be transferred to different video or photo editing programs. To make color lookups, first, we need to make an adjustment layer. To make an adjustment layer, simply click on the Create a New Fill or Adjustment Layer at the bottom of the Layers panel. Here, you have different adjustment options to choose from, and the adjustment layer that you are going to use depends on the color grading that you wish to achieve, as well as the color properties of your image. In this picture, I would like to add more light and make the colors pop more. I am going to make a brightness and contrast adjustment layer, hue and saturation adjustment layer, and curves adjustment layer. And once you're satisfied, you can now go ahead and group the layers together by holding down the Control key while selecting the adjustment layer. Now, right-click on any of the selected adjustment layers and select Group from Layers, or simply press Ctrl G on your keyboard. Now, before exporting the LUT, make sure that you have a background layer. A background layer should have an italic background text on it. To make a background layer, select the original image or the layer at the bottom, go to Layer, New, then Layer from Background. As you can see, the layer label is now an italic background text. Now, to export the LUT, go to Files, Export, then Color Lookup Tables. Here, you can adjust the description of the LUT. You can also enter your information in the copyright field, but take note that Photoshop automatically adds copyright, then current year, to the end. For the quality settings, you can adjust the grid points field. A higher quality setting will result to a larger file. You can also choose to export the color lookup table as a 3DL, cube, or CSV file. In most cases, a 3DL file is fine. However, the cube and CSV formats are not compatible with After Effects CS5 or older. You can also choose to include the ICC profile if needed. To apply the LUT on the other files, simply open the file that you wish to edit, go to the Adjustments Layer button at the bottom of the Layers panel, and select Color Lookup. In the 3D LUT drop-down menu, select Load Color Lookup, then open the LUT file that you just made. And you're done. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.